development and the degree of manifestation is inversely proportional. Means a highly evolved person can get triggered with the least trigger. He can sit quietly thinking of that experience, he's elevated. Some people have to travel all the way there to get that feeling. But the feeling is the same, sir. We are not saying you shouldn't do it, but one finds the necessity to do that to have that feeling. Another person sits quietly, he takes a walk down the road and gets to the temple, has the same elevated feeling. Which is better? Which is better? Isn't it a blessing? Not that you shouldn't go there, but you can have that same thing here. That fulfillment, that achievement. You know, Muhammad said the same thing to people who were going on a camel's back to Mecca those years. He said, what you are seeking, they are going to Mecca. And he said, what you are seeking is closer than the neck of your camel. They were going on a camel's back towards to see God. Going through that treacherous journey in that hot desert. No track, it's a trackless path. So that finding a path, a track to go to Mecca. And Muhammad said, what you are seeking is closer than the neck of your camel. What does it mean? God is right within you, man. Where are you going to search it? A student of mine was telling this. She went on a Mount Kailash trip for a 2-week trip. And there's a, have anyone of you gone on the trip? You're gone. So you would know what it is to, it's a spiritual pilgrimage, and it's a, I've never done that. I would be more than happy to do that anytime. Somebody went there, and that person was sharing. There was on a particular day, she was actually most of the time she was on her own, and it was a long trek, arduous trek, very demanding. And as she was walking and as she was struggling and coping, she said, what am I doing here? Where am I going? Am I going to see God there? Aren't we told God is right within me? She says this feeling came and hit her very hard. Not that you shouldn't do that, believe me, please don't get me wrong, but it can be done. So if you are at a certain platform, you can experience that.